Okay, guys.
Sir, or also,
So just let me just announce that what we are up to. We are discussing the combined transformations. Okay, and let me tell you one thing, that if there are two transformations, like there is a combination of horizontal and a vertical transformation. Don't need to be worried about the order in, like, which one is going to go first and which is going to follow that. Okay. Secondly, if there are two, like horizontal and vertical and then vertical, then you have to be very careful about the order. Yes, but you were saying something. Hmm?
sir, I was saying that vertical generate follows arithmetic rules or horizontal में oppose करता है.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Okay. Okay. Now let's have an open discussion on this. All these parts, 7 and 8. Okay. It says determine the sequence of transformation that maps y equal to f of x to each of the following functions. Okay. This is y is equal to half f of x plus 3. So first thing that you people must be convinced that this is going to be a combination of a horizontal and a vertical transformation. Okay, because when you have, let's say, if you have y is equal to f of x and you write it as y is equal to af of x. So what kind of stretch this is? Is this a vertical stretch or a horizontal stretch?
Vertical.
Vertical.
Yeah, this is the vertical stretch. Okay, and if you have y is equal to f of x, and then you're going to go like this is f of x plus a. Is it a horizontal stretch or a vertical, sorry, horizontal translation or a vertical translation?
Vertical.
Vertical translation. So this means in your 7 part A, we have both vertical stretch and vertical translation. So what do you think goes first? Is that the vertical stretch or the vertical translation?
Translation.
It is.
Stretch.
It is the translation
Stretch.
or the stretch.
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 Okay, there are two things. Let me write it two ways. This is y is equal to half f of x plus 3. And then there could also be half into f of x plus 3. So where do you think we have translated first? In this first equation or in the second equation?
In the
First.
second.
Where is the translation taking place first? In the first or the second?
In the second.
In the second. So here we are translating first and then we are stretching this vertically. Therefore, in this first example, one of you please keep the answers page open, okay? So in this first example, we are stretching this first and then we are translating. Yes, please confirm this from the answers. We are stretching first vertically with the scale factor half, and then we are translating vertically with the matrix 0, 3. Okay, there is a vertical stretch.
Sir,
Yeah,
सर मुझे ये नहीं समझ आ रहा कि अगर पहले स्ट्रेच होता है फिर ब्रैकेट्स नहीं आने चाहिए
पहले स्ट्रेच होएगा
तो फिर ब्रैकेट्स में नहीं आना चाहिए fx plus 3 को
नहीं बेटा. The thing is that you have to change your y coordinate and then you will translate it. ठीक है? That, like, suppose you have let me show it here. Now suppose you have a point over here. This point is, let's say this is 2, 1. Okay, so let me stretch this with a scale factor 2. So you will stretch this over here. Okay, and then you vertically stretch this with the scale factor, I mean with the column factor 0, 3. So this is your, if this is your A, this point is S of A, and then this is going to be 1, 2, 3. So this is TS of A over here. Okay, so you are stretching first and then you're translating. Here you're translating first and then you are stretching this. Okay, the thing is, if it is vertical, both of them are vertically, like they are happening vertically, so you follow the normal arithmetical operations. But if it was horizontal, you will have to go opposite. Okay, let's see if you, let's look at the C part. Someone please check the answer. Is that Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, now let's try this C part. C part. Okay. In the C part, so we have y equal to f of 2x minus 6. Now, when everything is happening within these brackets, that means all business is happening horizontally. Do you agree with this or not?
Yes, sir.
Hai
Yes,
na?
sir.
Because your f of x is over here, okay? So everything is happening with the x. So that means the things are going horizontally. Okay, now let's first have a chit chat about this 2x minus 6. So one thing is 2x minus 6. The other thing could be 2 into x minus 6. Okay. What do you think? What is happening here? Are we translating first or stretching first?
Translating.
Yeah, so this looks to us that we are translating first and then we are stretching. So remember, it is horizontal game, so you have to write opposite to that. This looks to be that we are translating first with the matrix 6, 0, and then there is a horizontal stretch with the scale factor half, okay? But you will write opposite to it. You will say, okay, in this case, we are stretching horizontally with the scale factor half, and then translating with the translation matrix 6, 0. Okay? Therefore, if you look at this one, please check the answer now. Now, this over here, we are going to like um, in this case, we were thinking that the translation is taking place first, but it was happening at the end. So here, it looks to me that the stretch is taking place first and then you're translating. But you will write this opposite to it. Please check the answer. Is it a translation with the scale, I mean, this column vector, and then a horizontal stretch with the scale factor half? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now
Yes.
please, this is your time to ask the questions. Are you clear about this?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So this is a horizontal translation with the matrix 6, 0, and then there is a horizontal stretch with the scale factor half. So everything is going in an opposite order. Now let's look at the B part, Bacho. You make an idea, think about this B part, and then I'm going to ask from you people. The B part, 7B. Okay, 7B. I have like there was y equal to f of x, and now this is y is equal to minus f of x plus 2. Okay. So again, both of them are happening vertically. They are both happening vertically. Okay. Now, if you think about something like combining them in these two ways, then you can answer this better. Okay, in which example over here do you think we are translating first and then we are reflecting in x-axis?
In the second one.
Second
In
one.
the second one, Hannah. So in the first one, we are reflecting first horizontally, and then we are going to go for the
Translation.
translation, the vertical translation. Okay, so please check your answers. There is reflection, vertical reflection, reflection in x-axis, and then we are translating with the matrix 0, 2.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
guys? Okay. Now let's look at this. Oh, finally we have this 7D, which looks to me that it is going to be a combination of, oh, again, I think there are two vertical things happening. This is exactly like the part A. Anna? Part A and part D are same because you are stretching this vertically first and then you are translating with the matrix 0, minus 8. Can you see that?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now from here, I'll be moving on to the 8th question. Before that, I need to say goodbye. You people need to come back.